Today, I'm going to share to you guys kung sulit ba nabilhin tong creamy matte lip stain na new product ng Sison. So, if you're interested to know my thoughts about this product, keep on watching. Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel again, and if it's your first time to come here on this channel, I encourage you to click the subscribe button down below, and of course, do not forget to click the tiny bell button beside the subscribe button for you to be notified every time that I upload videos here on this channel. This is a review of this product, Creamy Matte Lip Stain from Sison, and this is a newly released product. Siguro parang December or January lang nila to nilabas, and they have 12 shades of this. So, kagaya siya ng mga ibang products from mga drugstore products din na available dito sa Philippines, but this one is only 180 pesos. Ayun guys, 180 pesos lang siya. And nagamit ko na to for a couple of times. Ilang beses ko na siya nagamit actually. So let us start with the packaging. What I love is meron siyang transparent na container or packaging. And kung ano yung nakikita mo dito na shade, is yun din yung laman niya. So, let us open this one. Ano bang tawag dito? Parang doe foot applicator ata tawag dyan. And let us try to swatch this product at the back of my hand. Ayan. Ganyan yung swatch niya guys. And it says this is matte. So, ang unang napansin ko dito sa product na to guys is very pigmented siya. Kumbaga, kung ano yung color payoff niya, kuhang-kuha kahit yung dito lang sa baba, yung kukulayan mo or lalagyan mo ng product and then you will just smack your lips. Yun, kaya na niya ng kulayan yung buong bibig mo. And kung mahilig ka sa iba pa na shades, kasi kinuha ko to, neutral color lang kasi siya guys, and this is in the shade Dark Mocha. On the Instagram of Sison, meron silang 12 shades of this product, and yung makikita nyo doon guys na shades, medyo hindi siya akma or hindi siya katulad dun sa kung ano yung nasa loob ng product. Kasi yung nandun sa mga pictures or kahit pag pumunta ka sa store, yung picture nila doon is very bright siya compared to the real product inside. So, if I were you, I suggest you should go to the physical store of the HBC for you to swatch the product. Etong product na to, nagta-transfer siya na hindi siya nagta-transfer. Okay? Medyo nakakalito kasi kapag ganito siya, kunyari, ganyan, no transfer at all guys. Pero, during sa pagkain, na-test ko siya kapag umiinom, kapag kumakain, nag-transfer siya dun sa straw, dun sa baso, and nag-transfer din siya sa kinakain, actually. So, hindi siya transfer-proof, guys. Matte na matte naman talaga yung kanyang effect sa lips. Wala kang makikita na, you know, parang dewiness effect. Kasi sabi sa akin nung babae dun sa, sa HBC, hindi daw masyadong matte yung product. So, baka naglagay siya ng lip balm before niya trinay yung product. But, if you will not put lip balm before applying this product, super duper matte talaga yung effect niya. Yung longevity nga, yun nga lang kapag kumain ka talaga, hindi siya maglalast for 8 hours. Medyo maglalast naman siya, pero hindi siya kagaya ng bagong apply or parang konting bawas lang, hindi. Kasi matatanggal talaga dito sa may loob ng lips. And matitira lang yung medyo nasa outer na siya ng part. That is what I've observed during that time. Those times na tinest ko siya, guys. And 180 pesos, sulit na. For me, this is already sulit. Kasi matagal mo din siyang magagamit. Kasi konting-konti lang yung kailangan mong ilagay sa lips mo, nakukulayan na niya. So, kahit siguro 3 months, hindi mo ito mauubos kahit everyday mo siyang gamitin. Kasi, yun, hindi mo naman kailangang mag-touch up ng mag-touch up. Yun nga lang, kung kain ka ng kain, talagang magta-touch up ka. So, if you will ask me kung sulit ba talaga nabilhin o worth it ba nabilhin itong product na to from Sison, this is super duper sulit guys. I recommend you should buy this one if you're looking for a matte lipstick or matte liquid lipstick. And, very accessible ang HBC kasi kahit saan parang meron ata sila. And meron din silang online store. I will put the link or the Instagram. You should follow them guys para makita nyo yung mga bagong products nila. So, if you enjoyed watching this review, please do not forget to hit the like button. And of course, do not forget to subscribe if you haven't yet already. Share this video to your friends guys kasi madami, alam ko dyan, mga babae na naghahanap ng very cheap or affordable lang na lipstick product. Kasi alam nyo naman, tayo, lalo na pag mga estudyante, ayan, gusto natin na mura lang yung mga binibili natin, pero yung quality talaga namang pasok sa standard natin. I'll talk to you guys on my next video. Bye!